Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to talk about something that affects all of us, our money habits. We all have certain behaviors and patterns when it comes to money, and some of them can be considered bad money habits. So today we'll be discussing the top 20 bad money habits that you need to break immediately. Let's get started. Number 1. Impulsive buying. One of the most common money habits that can drain your wallet is giving into impulsive purchases. We've all been guilty of making spontaneous purchases without really thinking about whether we need the item or if it fits into our budget. This habit can quickly lead to financial strain and unnecessary debt. It's time to regain control over our spending. Try practicing delayed gratification and give yourself some time to think before making a purchase. Number 2. Neglecting a budget. Not having a budget is like driving blindfolded. It's crucial to know where your money is going and to plan your expenses accordingly. Take the time to create a budget and track your spending regularly. It will help you stay on top of your finances and make better financial decisions. Number 3. Ignoring credit card debt. Credit card debt can quickly pile up if left unchecked. Avoid paying only the minimum amount due and try to pay off your balance in full each month. This will save you from accumulating high-interest charges and help improve your credit score. Number 4. Impulsive online shopping. With the convenience of online shopping, it's easy to get carried away and make unnecessary purchases. Avoid this habit by unsubscribing from promotional emails, removing saved credit card information from websites, and setting a waiting period before making online purchases. Number 5. Neglecting to save. Saving money is crucial for financial stability and future goals. However, many people struggle with saving consistently. Start small by setting aside a percentage of your income each month and gradually increase it over time. Number 6. Keeping up with the Joneses. Trying to match someone else's lifestyle or possessions can lead to excessive spending and financial stress. Remember, it's more important to focus on your own financial goals and live within your means. Number 7. Not having an emergency fund. Life is full of surprises, and unexpected expenses can throw your finances off balance. Establishing an emergency fund can provide you with a safety net during challenging times. Number 8. Paying for unused subscriptions. Many of us subscribe to various services but forget to cancel them when we no longer use them. Take the time to review your subscriptions regularly and eliminate the ones that no longer serve you. Number 9. Ignoring retirement planning. It's never too early to start planning for retirement. Failing to do so can leave you financially vulnerable in your golden years. Consult with a financial advisor and start investing in a retirement plan that suits your needs. Number 10. Not negotiating bills and fees. Negotiating bills and fees is an often overlooked strategy for saving money. Many people don't realize that they can negotiate their bills and fees, such as cable bills, internet fees, or even credit card interest rates. Take the time to call service providers and negotiate for better deals or reduced rates. Be polite, articulate your case clearly, and be prepared to leverage competitor offers if available. You'll be surprised how often negotiations can result in significant savings, putting more money back in your pocket each month. Number 11. Impulsive eating out. While dining out can be enjoyable, it's essential to strike a balance. Overspending on restaurant meals can quickly eat away at your budget. You can plan your meals, cook at home, and save eating out for special occasions. Number 12. Ignoring financial education. Financial literacy is a valuable skill that everyone should acquire. Ignoring financial education can be detrimental to your long-term financial well-being. By actively seeking financial knowledge, you can gain a deeper understanding of topics such as budgeting, investing, debt management, and retirement planning. This knowledge empowers you to make informed decisions, avoid common financial pitfalls, and take control of your financial future. Whether it's through books, workshops, podcasts, or online resources, investing in your financial education is a wise choice that can yield lifelong benefits. Number 13. Not shopping around for deals. Before making a purchase, take the time to compare prices and look for discounts or coupons. This habit can save you a significant amount of money in the long run. Shopping around for deals is a savvy financial strategy. With the abundance of online shopping platforms and comparison websites, it's easier than ever to find the best prices for the items you need. By taking the time to compare prices, you can maximize your savings and keep more money in your pocket. Number 14. Relying on credit for everyday expenses. Using credit cards for everyday expenses without the means to pay them off can lead to a debt cycle. Try to use cash or a debit card instead. By using cash or a debit card, you'll only spend what you have and avoid the temptation to overspend. Reserve credit card usage for emergencies or when you have the means to pay off the balance in full each month. Number 15. Failing to invest. Investing is an essential tool for building wealth and achieving long-term financial goals. Don't let fear or lack of knowledge hold you back from exploring investment opportunities and potentially earning passive income. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or starting a business, taking calculated risks can lead to significant returns. Educate yourself, seek guidance from professionals, and start small if necessary. Remember, start early and be consistent in your efforts. Number 16. Keeping up with trends. Constantly chasing the latest trends can drain your bank account. Instead, focus on quality and value when making purchases, and prioritize long-term utility over short-term trends. Number 17. Not communicating about finances. Money is often a taboo topic in relationships, but it's crucial to have open and honest conversations about finances with your partner. This will help avoid misunderstandings and work towards shared financial goals. Number 18. Neglecting to review insurance policies. Insurance policies should be reviewed periodically to ensure they adequately cover your needs. Take the time to understand your policies, compare options, and make necessary adjustments. Number 19. Gambling or risky investments. Gambling or investing in high-risk ventures without proper knowledge can lead to significant financial losses. Educate yourself and seek professional advice before getting involved in risky financial activities. Number 20. Emotional spending. Using shopping as a way to cope with emotions or fill a void can be detrimental to your financial well-being. Find healthier alternatives, such as exercise, spending time with loved ones, or pursuing hobbies, to manage your emotions. And that concludes our list of 20 bad money habits you need to break immediately. Remember, breaking these habits takes time and effort, but with determination, you can take control of your finances and build a brighter financial future. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this. Also, let us know in the comments below which of these habits you struggle with the most or if you have any tips for breaking bad money habits. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.